Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, Redmi's Note 13 series is set for a winter launch. Telecommunication Equipment Certification Administration in China has leaked specifications for Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus. The two models have received TANA certification with model numbers 23090R A98C and 2312DR A50C. The exact phone corresponding to each model number remains unclear. The Note 13 series is generating significant excitement within the tech community. Samsung launches the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 features a larger cover screen. The hinge mechanism has been revamped, reducing the gap between the device's two halves. The design focuses on convenience and enhanced user experience. Samsung's foldable phones continue to push the boundaries of innovative smartphone design. The Digital Entertainment Leadership Forum 2023 begins at Cyberport. Notable attendees include Zhang Zhihua, the Hon Paul Chan Mopo, and others. The event explores the evolution of digital entertainment experiences across various domains. 4 immersive zones present: artainment, sportainment, edutainment, and lohas. Various innovative digital entertainment activities are available for attendees. Pebble releases a special Game of Thrones themed smartwatch in India. The smartwatch is a blend of technology and iconic TV series Memorabilia, priced at Rs 5,499. It features advanced technology and collectibles from the series. The watch encapsulates the essence of Westeros. The launch aims to attract both tech enthusiasts and Game of Thrones fans. Next up we have Tipster Ice Universe leaks specifications for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Features include a 6.78-inch OLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. Maximum brightness of the display is 2500 nits. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might come in two CPU variants, Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant will feature multiple core configurations. Ampverse partners with DMI Finance to launch IP College Rivals in India. Delhi is the starting point with a unique gaming truck touring various universities. The event will feature esports tournaments, influencer interactions, and more. Popular gamer influencer Scout will attend, adding star value. The initiative is set to redefine the Indian gaming landscape. Zoom announces key updates in its Zoom Events portfolio. Production Studio is launched for Zoom Events and Zoom Sessions. The new feature enables professionals to design virtual events easily. With Production Studio, events can be customized without the need for design expertise. The aim is to enhance the attendee experience with polished and professional events. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
आपको भी कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आया? ये एक ब्रॉडकास्ट टेस्टिंग मैसेज है। इंडिया के नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जैसे कभी अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई भी ऐसा डिजास्टर आता है, लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है टाइम पे, एंड इसकी टेस्टिंग चल रही है। तो आपको भी कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। इससे घबराना नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग और आपको अलर्ट करने के लिए आया है। तो अगर आपको ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक शॉट चाहिए तो IT वॉइस को जरूर फॉलो करें और दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव रील, ताकि आप भी टाइमली सतर्क रह पाएं और इस सारी चीज़ों से बच पाएं। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रील।